morning. Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, Mark's out this week, so you're stuck with me. As far as the markets are concerned, right now, beans down another 4 cents, corn down 4 cents, Chicago wheat's down a penny, while Kansas City wheat's almost up a penny now. Outside market stocks a little bit lower, the dollar's about unchanged, crude's lower, and gold's lower. A lot of numbers yesterday for the market to digest. First of all, corn rating was left at 74%, good to excellent. That continues to suggest a record corn yield. 56% of the crop is pollinating versus 58 average. In the beans, it kind of surprised that the USDA dropped bean ratings 2 percentage points to 68% good to excellent, and that's similar to last year. 26% of the crop is setting pods, and that's equal to what the average is. USDA also dropped the spring wheat crop 2 percentage points to 52% good to excellent. Last year it was 77, and U.S. winter wheat harvest is now 73% done versus 72 average. U.S. soybean exports to date up about 12%. Versus last year, USDA's up 9%. Cash basis level is a little bit lower. And in Brazil, the basis firmed up a little bit on talk of China demand, but the farmer increased cash selling. U.S. corn exports up 28% to date versus last year. USDA's calling for a 22% increase. USDA did announce 110,000 tons of corn sold unknown in the 25-26 marketing year. Domestic and U.S. Gulf basis about unchanged. In Brazil, the Soybean crop harvest has been delayed because of weather, but still you're looking at a record corn crop. U.S. wheat exports are up 13% versus last year, and USDA is calling for a 3% increase. Globally, farmers not selling wheat, and that's causing a little bit of a squeeze in the nearby markets, despite talk of higher supply. So we're sitting here at 10:06 on the September beans, 3.99 on September corn, and 5.40 on September wheat. And the perception is that as long as the weather remains mostly favorable, we're going to see lower prices into the fall.